The HP 250G Series Premium Business Laptop 2025 is the perfect blend of power, portability, and productivity. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. Built for serious multitaskers and modern professionals, this laptop brings desktop-level performance into a sleek mobile package. Under the hood, the HP 250G9 runs on a 13th Gen Intel Core i3-1315U processor with up to 4.5 GHz boost clock, providing smooth performance across apps, tabs, and tasks. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, video calls, or managing databases, this 6-core, 8-thread CPU makes everything flow effortlessly. With a massive 64GB DDR4 RAM, you'll enjoy fluid multitasking, no stutter, no lag, just seamless productivity. Coupled with a spacious 2TB SSD, you'll have fast boot times, quick access to files, and plenty of storage for work documents, media libraries, and more. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is sharp, bright, and anti-glare. Perfect for long working sessions without eye fatigue. Whether you're editing documents, watching webinars, or reviewing creative content, the screen ensures clarity and comfort. The built-in numeric keypad also adds a layer of convenience for number-intensive tasks. And thanks to HP's HD audio and integrated graphics, your video calls, media consumption, and audio experience remain crisp and immersive. Connectivity is where this business laptop really excels. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, staying wirelessly connected is faster and more reliable than ever. Physical ports include HDMI, RJ45, and an SD card reader, no dongles needed. It also comes with Windows 11 Pro, delivering enterprise-grade features with improved security and usability. And perhaps most impressively, it includes a lifetime licensed Microsoft Office suite and an external optical drive, saving you both time and extra expense. What stands out about this laptop is its thoughtful design. Everything you need right out of the box, no hidden extras or compromises. It's ideal for professionals who want powerful specs, dependable connectivity, and a ready-to-work setup from day one. With its premium features and customer-first packaging, the HP 250G Series G9 sets a new benchmark for value in the business laptop space.